Morning class. Welcome back to VPS e-learning class. Children, you all know I am your English teacher Aditi Day. So, from today onwards I am going to take your revision. So, you have to take out your copy. You have to mention all the questions. Then you write down the answers of your revision and send it to me before 8:30. I have given some questions, 6-7 questions are there. So you have to write down the question also. So it will be easy for me to check the answers that you have written properly or not. Okay. Use blue and black pen for the questions and blue pen for the answers. Complete it neatly, nicely, without making any mistake, and send it to me into the class group. If you feel any problem, you can ask me in the class group or personally also, beta. If you have any confusion in any question, you can ask. No problem will be there. Okay. So, let's start the revision of your English literature. Okay. Morning class. You all know now that from Monday I can take the revision of your English literature. So, this is your revision number 1 of English literature. Mention today's date, that is 19/7/21. Right side classwork. Question number 1 is choose the correct options to complete these sentences. Means you have to choose the correct answers. 3 answers are given. You have to choose the correct answer, beta. First, snake and sparrow met each other at dash. So you have to write the correct answer. From these 3 you have to choose the correct one. Okay. Second, white bellbird and giraffe got stuck dash in a forest, on an island, and in the ocean. So you have to write the correct answer here also and take the correct option. Question number 2. Match idioms with their meanings. First, a Herculean task. So, a Herculean task, which one is the correct option? You have to choose that one from the right side given answers. Okay. A Herculean task, you have to choose the correct answer of that. 2 peas in a pod. And the third is let the cat out of the bag. Next. Question number 3 is write the meaning of the following words. First, in unison. You have to write the meaning of that. Second is plump. Third is slithered. Okay. Question number 4. Find words in the story which mean the same as these. You have to write the answer in one word here. Spoiled mean you have to write the answer here which is given in the story. Next is competition. You have to write the answer here. And third is snootily. You have to write the answer here, beta. Okay. Come to the next. Question number 5. Rearrange the letters to make palindromes. EEPP. You have to write the answer here. Next is RAC and care. You have to write the correct palindrome after rearranging that. Next is yucker. You have to write the answer here. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable words, phrases from the passage. First, dash are widely loved. You have to write the fill up here. Second, dolphins are dash, dash and loving. So you have to fill the 2 answers here. Third, dolphins can see dash as well as above it. You have to fill up it. Okay. So complete it and send it to me before 8:30 for correction. Okay. And write the questions also. Don't write only answers, beta. Okay. So question number 1 is choose the correct options to complete these sentences. First is snake and sparrow met each other at. Where they met? At park, school or home. You know the answer. You can write it here or make a tick mark. Second, white bellbird and giraffe got stuck dash in a forest, on an island, or in the ocean, beta. Next, question number 2. Match idioms with their meanings. Means at the left side question is given, at the right side correct answer is given. You have to match it. First, a Herculean task. You know the answer. You have to match with them. 2 peas in a pod. And third is let the cat out of the bag. So the answer is given in the right side. To be similar, to tell a secret, and a job that needs a lot of physical strength. So you have to match the correct. Question number 3. Write the meaning of the following words in unison, plump and slithered. So you have to write the meaning of that. Question number 4. Find words in the story which mean the same as these. A. Spoiled. Write the answer here in one word. B. Competition. Write the answer. And C. Snootily. You have to write the answer here. Okay. Question number 5. Rearrange the letters to make palindromes. First, E, E, P, P. You have to write the answer here after rearranging it. Next is RAC, scare. And third is yuck. You have to write the correct answer. Question number 6 is fill in the blanks with suitable words, phrases from the passage. First, dash are widely loved. You know what is widely loved, so you write the answer here. Second, dolphins are dash dash and loving. And third is dolphins can see dash as well as above it. So complete it and send it to me before 8:30. Okay, thank you.